大家好 Welcome to Teacher Clint's Mandarin Chinese class. And today we're going to learn the second type of compound sentences in the Chinese language. And the logic between the two independent clauses is successive, 连贯 sequential, 顺承 Yeah. This is logic meaning the clauses describe actions, events, or situations that occur in chronological sequence, one immediately following the other. And commonly used conjunctions or adverbs are 就 then. It's like I do something, then I do something, right? And 变 then, meaning the same with 就, but it's more formal. 于是 thereupon, 接着 next, yeah, or followed by, 然后 then or afterwards, 首先然后 so first and then, 起先后来 at first, later. Remember these are just coordinating conjunctions similar with the English fanboys or those relative conjunctions like not only but also, right? Neither nor, either or. Okay. So let's take a look at the example sentences. As soon as I arrived home, I gave you a call. 我一到家就给你打了电话。So here 我 subject, 一 when we use 一 here, it means the moment I something, right? 到家 arrive home. So 我一到家 the moment I arrive home, subject predicate. Okay. 就 then, right? 给你打电话。给 plus somebody 打了电话 meaning give somebody a phone call or call somebody. 打了电话 means make a phone call. Okay. So here we use the conjunction 就 and then, meaning and then, okay, to connect the two sentences, right? Again, in the second clause, we omit the subject. And I then give you a phone call, right? After class, 下课后 he went back to the dorm right away. 他就回寝室了。he 就 then 回 return 寝室 dormitory 了 to show the completion of the sentence of the action. So again, this is 就 connecting two independent sentences to show the logic of something happened and then something else happened. Okay. Upon hearing this news, he then returned to his room. 听到这个消息，他便回到了房间。听到 hearing, right, or upon hearing 这个消息 this news. This is the similar with the adverbial adverbial clause of time in English. Okay. So this is the first independent sentence or clause. The second, he 他变 he is the subject 变 then 回到了 returned 房间 room. The second clause this time has the subject, right? I bought groceries at the supermarket, then went straight home. 我在超市买了菜，便直接回家了。Again, we use the conjunction 便 meaning then or and then. 我 subject 在超市 at the supermarket show the location. 买了菜 predicate and object. Bought vegetables. Complete, right, and independent sentence with the complete subject, adverb, predicate and verb, predicate and object. 变 and then 直接 directly 回家了 went home. Here we omit this subject in the second clause. But there are two equally important clauses, right? So in this compound sentence, it started raining outside, so we canceled the match. 外面下雨了，于是我们取消了比赛。外面 outside show the location. 下雨了 falling rain, right? This is the clause. 于是 thereupon or therefore 我们 subject 取消了 cancelled 比赛 the object the competition or the match or contest. So we use the conjunction therefore 于是 to connect the two equally important sentences. He took a sip of water and then continued telling the story. 他喝了一口水，接着继续讲故事。他 he subject 喝了predicate the verb right drank 一口水 a mouthful of water. So it's like 口 is the measure word for this amount of water, right? 一口水。And then the second clause, we use the conjunction 接着 meaning and then or after that. 继续 continue 讲 the verb tell 故事 story. Again, here we omit the subject in the second clause. But they are showing the doing one action and then do the next action. Show the logic between the two clauses. We will go watch a movie first and then go eat dinner. 我们先去看电影，然后去吃晚饭。The conjunction is 然后 after that, right? 我们 we subject 先去 first go to 看电影 watch movie, so verb and object watch movie. This is independent clause, and this 然后 after that omit subject 去 go to 吃 eat go to eat 晚饭 dinner. Now next one, first boil the water, then put in the noodles. 首先把水烧开，然后放入面条。This is more like a introduction or tutorial, like showing you how to do something step by step. It can also be an imperative sentence, right? Ask somebody to do these two things step by step, right? 首先 first 把水烧开 we use the 把 structure, right? 把 means like take something and do something to it. So 把水 take the water 烧开 boil it to 100 degrees Celsius, right? 烧开然后 and then 放入面条放入 put in 面条 noodles. All right. So this sentence showed the two actions. So again, we use this coordinating conjunction. 首先然后 first do something and then do something to connect the two sentences to form this compound sentence. Next one. To do this project, first you must make a plan and then start executing it. 做这个项目，首先要制定计划，然后开始执行。So, give this topic sentence. 做这个项目，做 do 这个项目 noun phrase as the object. This product. 首先 first. So we use the conjunction again. First, 要 or you need to 制定计划 制定 make 计划 plan. 然后 then and then 开始 start 执行 executing or implementing. We use this conjunction 首先 然后 first and then to connect the two steps or two actions. Next one. At first he disagreed, but later he was finally persuaded. 起先他不同意，后来终于被说服了。So 起先 at first 他不同意，他 he subject 不同意 disagree 同意 is agree, so we use 不 to negate the verb. Turn degree to turn agree to disagree. 后来 and then or later 终于 finally add a verb here 被说服了 we use the base structure passive voice, so omit the subject, it should be he was 说服 persuaded. Okay, next one. At first I thought this question was very difficult, but later I realized it is actually very simple. 起先我以为这道题很难，后来发现其实很简单。It's a little bit longer. Now 起先 at first, the conjunction here. So at first something, and then 后来 later on something, right? To connect the two clauses. 我以为I thought subject plus verb predicate. 这道题 this question or this problem 很难 very difficult. Okay. And then 后来 later on 发现 here we omit the subject like I found, right? But here we use the verb 发现 found. 其实 actually 很简单 very easy. Again, we use this conjunction at first and then later on to connect the two independent clauses to form this compound sentence. Pretty good. So we finished learning the second type of compound sentence in the Chinese language. This second type shows the logic of being successive or sequential. See you next time. 再见。